Lecture 3: Understanding Design Dimensions in Canva. Have you ever created a graphic only to find out it looks stretched, blurry, or cut off when you post it online? That usually happens when the dimensions are not right. In this lecture, we will look at how dimensions work in Canva, how to choose the correct size for your project, and when it's best to use custom dimensions instead of presets. This is one of those small details that makes a big difference in how professional your design looks. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to define what design dimensions are and why they matter. Choose the right preset size for your Canva project. Identify when and how to use custom dimensions. Avoid common mistakes related to sizing and layout. What are dimensions in Canva? In Canva, dimensions refer to the size of your design, usually measured in pixels for digital graphics and inches or millimeters for print designs. Think of dimensions as the width and height of your canvas. For example, an Instagram post is typically 1080 by 1080 pixels, a perfect square. A presentation slide is usually 1920 by 1080 pixels, a widescreen format. A printable flyer might be 10.5 by 11 inches, standard US letter size. Choosing the correct dimensions ensures your designs display properly without stretching, blurring, or getting cropped. Using preset sizes. Canva makes it easy to pick the right size by offering preset dimensions for common design types. To try this out, go to the homepage. As we are already on the homepage, click on the Create a Design button. In here, you will find a whole list of presets: Instagram post, Facebook cover, poster, A4 document, YouTube thumbnail, etc. Each of these presets is already sized correctly for that platform or format. You don't have to guess or Google what size you need. When to use presets? Presets are a great time saver and are user-friendly, especially for beginners. Use presets when you're designing for a known platform, social media, posters, business cards. When you want a fast start without having to think about width and height. Using custom dimensions. Sometimes none of the presets options fit what you need. That's when you use custom dimensions. You can just click on Create a Design button in here and go to Customize Size. When you click on that, enter your desired width and height. For example, you just want 240 width and height, for example 1426. Choose the correct unit. When you click on that, you can use pixel, inches, millimeter, or centimeter. And for example, you are working on pixels, and you can click on that and click on Create New Design. And you will have that specific canvas that you can work on. Examples of when to use custom dimensions. Creating a banner for your school website with specific size requirements. Designing a print-ready handout with bleed and trim space. Making content for a non-standard display, like a digital screen or event booth. Remember, if you're designing something to print, double check the size with whoever will print it. Canva doesn't automatically add print margins unless you set them. Why getting dimensions right matters. Choosing the wrong size can lead to cropped text or cut off images, poor resolution or pixelation, awkward white space or layout misalignment, a design that looks great on your screen but terrible on someone else's. Getting it right from the beginning saves time and makes your final product more polished.